Hey guys, Teaira Walker here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a super easy video, but I wanted a tutorial that you guys could just come to when you wanna just get a flawless drugstore makeup beat. Like, I'm not gonna say my makeup is looking perfect, but it's looking damn near close. I feel like everything is blended out to perfection. Everything is just looking amazing, and I shared with you guys a lot of my favorite drugstore products because I just wanted people to get the same high quality makeup look for an affordable price. And yeah, I hope this helps you guys, and I hope you guys learn a couple tips and tricks. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, so we're gonna start off with foundation. My face is already hydrated, it's prepped, ready to go. My favorite drugstore foundation. If I'm gonna go pick a foundation, this is the one I'm gonna go pick up. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I've gotten so light, like I'm extremely light right now. Between this quarantine and not going on vacation, not seeing the sun, winter time, I'm super light right now. I am in desperate need of a tan, and my shade is like 10 times lighter than what it would normally be. I'm gonna take the shade 500 and 485, and I'm gonna mix them. And I love this foundation because it's like super full coverage. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, so I've never had like a better drugstore foundation, honestly. This just makes your face look flawless, and then your makeup will last all day, like all day. Let me know if you like this backdrop. I was like, let me take everything off the shelf. I feel like everything looks brighter. I'm kind of feeling it though, honestly. How are you guys surviving? Like, to me, I am a homebody, so this is so normal for me, like being in quarantine. It's just crazy that we're like literally living in this time right now, you know what I mean? And I just wanted to do my makeup because I was tired of just sitting in the house looking like who shot John and forgot to kill him. You want to go over your eyes. I have super dry skin, so I wouldn't say that this foundation is hydrating at all. It's not hydrating at all, but it's not matte at the same time. I swear, doing your makeup just makes you feel 10 times better. Like, yeah, this is like a satin type of finish. I think it would be great for all skin tones, skin types. Not skin tones, all skin types, okay. This is a very fresh look. Like, this foundation is fire to just wear as is. Like, you don't even need anything else. I just feel like this is a super fresh look, right? Y'all see what I'm saying? Are y'all seeing what I'm saying? A lot of people don't use Neutrogena products when it comes to makeup. I really like this Radiant Cream Concealer. It's the Healthy Skin Concealer. I like that it gives you that super natural look. It doesn't give you too much coverage. I feel like if you really want that natural, barely there type of makeup look, this is what you should use. Obviously, healthy skin. I like to use this concealer to contour and sometimes to conceal also, just because it blends in like a dream and it just doesn't give me like that harsh contour look. And this is in the shade Pecan 2. I'm gonna take the same sponge. You see what I mean? It's like barely there, but you see that contour. It just looks super natural and fresh. Like, I didn't do too much. It just blends in so nicely. I want this to be like the perfect drugstore makeup where I am shocked. You know what I mean? I want to be shocked at how fly and how flawless it is. So that's what I'm going for. I'm like on the search for the best drugstore products and to just put it into one face and see how it looks. And I truly think the products that I'm using today is just like really great, you know what I mean? So hopefully everything just comes out perfect. Okay, so this is my favorite concealer, favorite drugstore concealer. I am obsessed with like the L'Oreal brand in itself coming through for the drugstore, okay? So I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible. It's literally this, like this Infallible line is, it does something to my heart. Hopefully this is the right shade though, because I ran out and I had to go get more and I don't remember the exact shade that I was. This is kind of light. Hopefully it works. Let's just test it out. I think she'll be fine. When it comes to highlighting, you want to highlight under your eyes, obviously. I like to get around my mouth because I do crease around my mouth, and I put extra concealer there and extra powder there because, I don't know, I feel like it helps. I kind of want this makeup look to be super natural. Meanwhile, put some more. I always do that to myself. Let's go natural! Apply my product. I feel like this concealer is also satin. It's not hydrating, but it's not drying. Like formulated so perfectly. Can I go extra, drag extra product under here? I'm gonna drag the product right by my eyebrow. Sometimes I don't take it all the way out, and then sometimes I do take it all the way out. It just literally depends on my mood for the day. I feel like you do your makeup differently every day, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna apply a little bit more concealer under my eyes. I don't really need it. It looks super flawless right now, but just to have that extra coverage, I like to go under just a little bit more. This is my first time trying this setting powder. I'm gonna mix these two shades. So I'm gonna take 10 and I'm gonna take 20, and I'm gonna mix them. And I'm gonna get it together right now before I finish blending under my eyes, just so I can go directly in. I don't like to wait to set under my eyes because I don't want them creasing. Yeah, I might not need to mix it. Ooh. Okay, let's mix a little bit in there, just a little bit, just to be safe, just at the smallest amount. I'm gonna mix it up. A lot of times I feel like in order to have that perfect makeup look, you have to customize all your products. Like customize the concealer, find the right shade for you. That's when your makeup comes out like more flawless. That blend, everything just blends out perfectly. So I'm gonna take my sponge, put it in that damp sponge that I've been blending out. Dip it in that powder. I'm gonna take the back of my hand, get all that excess powder off, and then go under my eyes. Do the same thing again. You don't want to go in with a heavy layer because then you get that cakey look, and that's not cute. Ooh, this powder. And I want to say thank you to you guys because y'all put me on. Y'all said the Maybelline powder. I don't know if it was this one, but this is the only one I saw at the store, so it works. And now, damn, that looks so good. I am shooketh right now. I've never had a drugstore powder work for me, and the fact that this looks so good. That looks so good. That powder is like the perfect shade for under my eyes, but I can't use that for the rest of my face. More of the 20 into that 10. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Around my mouth, because I do tend to crease, I'm gonna set it in like under my eyes. I'm gonna take that powder, actually take a thicker layer though, and then set it in right around where I would crease. And that helps you to just not crease. I'm gonna just take just 20 by itself, I guess, for the rest of my face. I don't want to look like a ghost. That ain't cute. And then go over the rest of my face. I'm starting to look really light. Like really white right now. I think I can use this. This is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Covergirl Matte All Day Powder. I'm gonna take this to contour. Ooh, here we stand right here. This is you. You want it to blend in seamless. Like you don't want it to look like you just, you know what I mean, drew a line on your cheek. Start off super light when it comes to contour, because you can look really crazy. Sometimes I even do my contour too harsh. It's so easy to go overboard. The bow tie came off the brush. A star in my head. Is it true? I like the setting powder. This is the L'Oreal Infallible setting powder. It's not setting powder, is it? I'm gonna take the L'Oreal setting spray and it just melts everything together. If I like forget setting spray, like if I'm traveling with my makeup and I forget setting spray, I go crazy. Like I just can't do my makeup without a setting spray. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work. I'm just take the butt of that blender, kind of blend everything in. It has no product on it, so we good, we Gucci. It just helps everything to be seamless. Again, we want that flawless. We want that flawless. Oh look, honey. So I'm gonna take the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I feel like this is like the perfect eyeshadow palette for a neutral eye wearer, you know what I mean? It's like a mauve-y, it has a lot of mauve tones in it, but it's just like perfect, you know what I mean? It's like the perfect flattering shades. I'm gonna take just like a small brush. This is from Luxie, it's a mini round brush. Take it in this shade right here and go under my bottom waterline. I don't know why, I feel like this part is so essential when doing my makeup now. Like I have to add eyeshadow to my bottom waterline. I don't know why. I think it helps to open up your eyes, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Coronavirus, it's getting real. So I'm just gonna take this brown shade and this mauve shade and start at my eyebrow and just bring it down. Something super like light and not too dramatic, but just to bring out that natural contour in the eye. Coronavirus, it's getting real. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lip pencil, which I love. I haven't even used it yet, honestly. I'm saying like I love this product, but no, I swatched this product, and the fact that it's so smooth, I love a good lip liner that's smooth, and it's really hard to find a drugstore lip liner that is smooth and it works because they're super dry, and this one is so smooth. My favorite lip liner is the KKW Nude 2 liner, and this reminds me so much of that. Like I love the consistency of this. And this is the shade, this is the Understatement Lip Liner in this shade 240 Shoot. Sometimes you know you're gonna love a product before you put it on, you know what I mean? Like, oof, I know this is gonna work. Like it's just gliding, you know what I mean? I need that in a lip liner. So easy. I swear, these drugstore products are like, ugh. I need to go get more. I think I need more. And oh my god, okay, so I love the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump, and you know how you get a lip plumper? This thing tingles, so it tingles. Like your whole lip is like becoming numb from the tingling, which I don't mind because it's a lip plumper, but it just works, you know what I mean? Nude in Town, and it's a plumper, you know what I mean? I've been using this product a lot. How is just the perfect nude lip? Okay, I'm gonna get some more setting spray. And then I'm gonna take the Covergirl Full Spectrum. This is a great line too from Covergirl. I'm trying not to move as much. This is a great line, and I'm gonna take the Scope Extra Expert Cheek Palette right here. I'm gonna mix these two highlighters. And I'm going to highlight my face. It's like butter. Like it's literally like butter. Look at this pimple right here, just trying to poke out. Then I'm gonna highlight my forehead and then my temples. Oh, what? Okay, I'm gonna take the Ardell Double Wispies. I love Ardell. It's getting real. Coronavirus. I hate that. I hate that that's a song right now. I hate that they made that into a song. Oh no. A tear. Oh. Oh my god, no! Wow! Oh, it's okay, it's gonna be okay. Wow, I really just messed up my face. Oh, I'm just sick right now. Why does nothing work? Nothing just goes smooth for me. Why did this have to happen? Nothing just ever goes smooth when it comes to makeup. I swear, there's always some type of problem that I run into. So I'm gonna try putting some wet concealer there. Just in case this ever happened to you, you know what I mean? You know what to do. And then take some powder. I think I'm gonna leave it like this because we don't need to put mascara on the bottom. We could just leave it like this and call it a day. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. If it did, thumbs it up for me. Also, I just thought about it. This is super impromptu. I want to do a giveaway if you are still watching, to the viewers who watched the whole entire video. I do want to do a little giveaway because it's been a little while since I've done a giveaway on YouTube. You know what I mean? Y'all my fam. You know, we like this. I'm going to do a super easy giveaway, just super easy giveaway. All you have to do is thumbs up this video and comment down below your favorite drugstore product, and I am giving away just a mystery box full of like luxury makeup. It's gonna be a lot of makeup too, so, and I'll give it away to two winners to see all of the other details. If I left out any details about the giveaway, it will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to read that. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch another video while you're at it, okay? Bye guys.